to my most fabulous, beautiful people. Thank you for coming back. My name is MissCarly and I am beyond excited to share with you this wig from Bobbi Boss right here, and as well as doing a wig giveaway. Yay! It has been a hot minute since I have done a wig giveaway, so today is the day. Definitely stay tuned for all of that information about the wig giveaway. So like I mentioned, this wig is from Sam's Beauty, which is from Bobbi Boss. Her name is Alexa. So what's really fun about this wig is that she's a banged wig, which is something that I'm always looking for because I don't have bangs. I struggle with bangs, and sometimes you want to do a bang look, right? Especially with some hoops. One thing that's super great about this wig, not only is it adorable, but it's literally under $18. So I feel like a great price point to add into anyone's collection. So let's just get looking at her. So she's actually really gorgeously, like soft little waves right here. And what's really nice about this collection from Bobbi Boss is it's part of this soft bang series right here. So I have her in this color of the FS4-27/30. She comes in a lot of different colors, so lots to choose from right there for the very natural looking. Super great about this wig is that it's just easy breezy, easy to put on, really nothing to do, no plucking, no nothing. Getting into this wig construction, like of course there's no lace with this wig. It's just straight up cap right here. There's not actually even any combs if you wanted to secure it, because also she's short, so generally with shorter wigs you may not need to do any kind of securing to your head. For the actual wig cap, she is a medium wig cap. She doesn't have a ton of stretch, so I would definitely say more on the medium to medium small cap. So if you need a large head friendly wig, this may not work for you, but as you can see, these bangs will obviously look at them more, but they're definitely light and kind of sweepy as well. This wig is heat safe as well, so if you did want to modify it in any kind of way, you are more than welcome to do that. So let's just put this girl on. So since I already have like a low pony, I'm just going to like whip it around. And I put my wigs on front to back. Okay, so here she is, really cute. Naturally, you know, I feel like the bangs, I would trim them, but it was nice that if you do have a longer forehead, they would be definitely long enough, as you can see right here, because this is pretty much down the exact center right here, but just pushing it back just a little bit for this review. But definitely really cute. I would, again, trim it, but since I'm gonna be giving this wig away, I am not gonna trim it. And then let's just kind of see about this like sweeping that I'm doing, because that's basically all you can really do with this wig if you want to switch up how it looks. So this is cute. I probably do something like this if I kept this wig. And of course, probably the exact same look on this side as well. Little sweep right here. This is really cute. Love it. And I really love this color too. So what it seems like that the color options, they were all extremely natural looking. So this one has a lot of like tones in it that are very natural. I'm gonna be using one of my looped wig brushes right here, which I feel is best for a wavy or curly wig. And perfect, and naturally, literally no hairs fell out of here. And then what I'm actually interested in seeing is if we can give this girl a little volume. Oh yeah, look at this. This looks great. I mean, a little volume is never wrong, right? So definitely a lot of things you can do with it, clearly with the sweeping of the bangs. Very easy breezy to put on. You just whip it on. Obviously, I don't have a wig cap on. You can wear a wig cap if you want to. And for under $18, like this is an amazing find and easy way to change up your look if you are jonesing for a little bang action. So again, this wig is from Sam's Beauty. It is from Bobbi Boss. It is in the name of Alexa. Now for the most important part of this video, the wig giveaway. So down below, I want you to leave this emoji as well as a fun, positive comment, and I will be revealing the winner. Of course, all the details are down below. So I want to thank you all so very much for watching, liking, subscribing, it all. Never forget, life is short. It is a crazy world out there. Do whatever makes you feel good, positive, fabulous, because when you are fabulous and positive and amazing, you're making the whole world that. And of course, we will see you soon. Bye.